Hey guys, so today I made around $79 in trading right now in USD JPY. And by the way, I just had a new haircut. It's short. Finally, I've been growing that hair out for like 1 year since like September 1. And yeah, I'll probably ain't gonna have like a long hair ever again. I'm not gonna have long hair. It's so annoying. Every time when I run or like do physical activities, like it's always on my face. It's always itchy even though I like put shampoo. Yeah, so I'm never having long hair again. But anyways, I will be telling you guys how I made around $79. So, okay. First we go daily time frame. We see that we're uptrending. We're uptrending right now. Okay. Uh okay, in the 4-hour time frame, we see that it's been rejecting the 4-hour time frame demand zone. The 4-hour time frame demand zone right here. You see right here, it's been rejecting it for so long. Then, then look, it broke not only the trend line from the daily time frame. If you see over here from the daily time frame, it didn't only break the trend line from the daily time frame, but it also broke the 4-hour time frame demand zone, which is very like strong, a very strong demand zone. So once that break, I'm sure some people took a sell right over here. Once impact news started, like that's a very big candle. Like look at this liquidity sweep. Look, once it went down, people took a sell, and yeah, they got stopped out. And look, it got rejected by the 1 hour time frame. So that's why I always wait for the candle to close first before like before taking a trade. Like you have to wait for the candle to close first, then you trade. Because some people they don't wait for it to close. Because if you don't wait for it to close, chances are you're gonna get stopped out. Like this. Look, it went down. People took a sell. It went up. That's what you call liquidity sweep. So let's follow my formula right here. This is my strategy right here. Okay, liquidity sweep, reversal pattern, supply or demand zone. If it touched supply or demand zone, trend line break, and break of structure. So first thing is liquidity sweep. Did it liquidity sweep someone or yeah? So yeah, there's a liquidity sweep right here. So people took a sell. No, actually, people took a buy here since there's like a very strong rejection from the 4-hour time frame. So people took a sell here, then they got liquidated. Then some people took a sell here, then they got liquidated again. So that was like a big push to the upside. So once it went up, yeah, once it went up, yeah, we took profit once it went up. So reversal pattern, there's a double bottom. So yeah, wait, first thing, let's just check our liquidity sweep. We check that. Then reversal pattern, double bottom, or a double bottom with a liquidity sweep. So we can check that. There's a reversal pattern right here. We'll just check this. Did it go to supply or demand zone here, the 1 hour time frame? And we can say it rejected the 4 hour time frame since it's like a fake out. So yeah, we can check it went to our demand zone, then trend line break, 3 touch point trend line break. You see here, 1, 2, 3 touch point, and boom, broke the trend line. So we can check that. And lastly, okay, wait, trend line break. Then lastly, break of structure. We see that there's a break of structure right here. So once that broke, a we can put a check on this. So it's a perfect score. That's why I took this trade. So look, it went up, went to the demand zone, went up, went to the demand zone, went up, went to the demand zone. So this is all like the 1 hour time frame demand zones right now. So yeah, and look at this. It also made a demand zone from the 1 hour time frame demand zone. See, a double bottom with a liquidity sweep right over here. There you go. There's a liquidity sweep right over there. So once some people got liquidated, it went up, break of structure. So once it went, so I'm risking again $40. Then once I saw like a break of structure, I put it to break even right here. Then yeah, once I saw this double bottom, I put my let's put the mark over here. From break even, right? We see a break of structure right here. So went down, break of structure right here. So I put it to break even. Wait, break of structure right here, break even. Then double bottom, liquidity sweep. I put my stop loss around below this demand zone right here. So after that, yeah, once it went to like, cause I'm risking $40. If my profit goes up to like 80, if the price goes up to like $80, then I do what you call a trend line break. So once it went up to like $80, I did a trend line method. You see here a trend line method, and yeah, it went down. And if I see this candle right here, I should have stopped it right over here. But at that time, I was like sleeping. So yeah, it went back up. Once I saw this big red candle, I took it. I take profit already. I didn't wait for too long. I don't want to be too greedy because this trade is like 1 week already. Like I took this trade around like Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I took this trade Wednesday. I could have, by the way, if you see this right here, I could have took a buy like early, but at that time it was morning. New York session. I live in the Philippines, so New York session was like at like in the morning. Like it was New York session 4 a.m. in the morning. I got like a alert signal in TradingView, and yeah, I was sleeping at that time. I was sleeping. I was still sleeping. But then, yeah, the next candle, it went a little bit up. So I took a buy. There's like no difference. So yeah, I made good money today. I finally made 79, finally I made some money. Because last month I just made like $5. But finally I made some money, $79, not bad. So yeah, guys, if you watched till the end, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time on my next trade.